As you can see here, I'm going to be dividing 436 by 3. I've got my 3 groups drawn out, and I've got my 436 counted out in base 10 blocks. So I'm going to start with my hundreds. You can see here I have 400 blocks. I want to evenly distribute these into my 3 groups. So I'm going to start to pass these out, and you can see that I'm able to put 100 block in each group. And then I have this one left over. And as it is, since it's 1 block, I can't distribute it evenly among these 3 groups. So I'm going to have to take it to the bank. That's what I tell my students, and trade it in for 10 tens. So I want to show my work so far. I'm able to put 100 block into each group, using up 3 of the 100 blocks. I have 1 left over, and it's going to be traded in for 10 tens. Okay, so I should have now 13 tens. That's what's shown here, 13 tens. Now I'm going to evenly distribute those, or as many as I can, into my 3 groups. I'm going to start by putting pairs in each group. All right, I'm able to put 2 in each group. Let's see if I can put 2 more in each group. I can. All right, but then I've got this 1 left over. I'm not going to be able to evenly distribute that, so I'm going to put that on hold for just a minute and record my work. I was able to put 4 tens in each group, using up a total of 12 tens, which leaves 1 10 left over. I'm going to take that 1 10 to the bank and trade it in for 10 ones. Now I'm going to have 16 ones total. I'm going to distribute those. I'm going to start with pairs again. Try giving 2 to each group, 2 more to each group. I don't think I have enough to give 2 more to each group, so I'll give 1 more to each group. And you can see I have 1 left over. All right, so I was able to give 5 to each group, using up a total of 15 ones. I have 1 left over. Now, we can write remainder 1. Or let's talk about what this remainder means. I have 1 whole here. Now, if I were able to cut this into 3 equal parts, then I could give 1 of each of those parts to each group. Each group would get a portion equivalent to a whole cut into 3 parts, or divided into 3 parts. So each group would get 1/3 of a whole. So 145 and 1/3.